Hello friends, welcome to the next lecture on Go. In this lecture, we will be setting environment. First, we will install Go programming language. To install Go programming language, go to Google, type Golang. Golang. Once you type, we will get the Golang.org link. Click on this first link, will be navigated to Golang.org. Here, click on Download Go. Once you click on Download Go, we will go to DL page, Download link page. Download link page, we will see all the options. For Windows, you can select the first option. For Apple, second. Linux, third one. You can select it based on your operating system. I am using Windows. I'll download this one. Click on this one. You will get MSI link. And once you downloaded this, click on install and select default option. Select default option. Don't change anything. Default option. And click on next. Go will be installed. Once successfully installed Golang in your computer, go to command prompt, enter Go. When you type Go, you will get the commands how to use. This is a usage and a list of commands. You got it. Okay. Now we'll run Go version over here. Type Go version. Go version. It will print the version. It's running. We have installed 1.14.6 in my computer. If you wanted to install, you can at the time of download. Version might be different. And next one more command is present. The command is go env. Let's run go env. It will print the environment on which it is running, all the default options, all the options. You check here go path is present. By default, go path will be selected. This one, the C directory and C users from users who are logged in user ID, and that go in this folder, all your go path will be selected. In this path, we are going to write our programs, go projects, and bin folder is users undergo. There is a bin folder. We can check it here. Go to C. From C, navigate to users. From users, select the logged in user. Under here, go. Go is present over here. When you check here, there may be bin package folder, and source folder. If it is not present, please create it. I am deleting C. How I will create? Create new folder, SRC. Under SRC, we are going to write our projects. We are going to develop under here. Create project name as SAMPL sample underscore project. This is my project. This is application structure, folder structure. Bin contains all executables. All executables bin contains. PKG folder will contains all packages. Built-in packages and custom packages will be present over here. And next is SRC. Under SRC, we are going to write our programs, Go programs. We have installed successfully Go. After installing Go, we need to install Git. To install Git, go to the Google, install Git in Windows. Type this one, select the first link. Getting started. No, it's a book. You need to install this one, second option. Select one. Git SCM download window. Based on your operating system, select first option or second option, 32-bit or 64-bit, and you will download the exe file. And after downloading exe file, click on default options. All the default options, select default options. Don't change anything. Click next. It will install Git in your computer. Once it is successfully installed, go to command prompt, run Git, and you will see commands how to use also. What are the commands are present, how to use. This is, let's run Git minus version to check the version. 2.19.12 is my version. Is my computer. The version is installed. One more bash will be present, like command prompt git bash. Search for git bash and I click on git bash app, and here also you can run all git related things. Git minus minus. You can see the version, both are same. Once Git is successfully installed, next we are going to install Visual Studio Code. To install Visual Studio Code, again go to Google, install Visual Studio Code, click on this one, first link. Based on your operating system, select exe file or zip file from below, but you can download exe file. Getting started. I am not going to install because I already installed Visual Studio Code. It is simple, not difficult. Here also select all the default options. Click on next, will be installed. Once successfully installed Visual Studio Code, go to your Windows, search for Visual Studio Code, click on this one. Once you click on this one, this will be open. This is my Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Don't say. Okay. Once this is installed, we are going to install few extensions here. Click on extensions. Here, search for Go. Go. This is the extension I have already installed in my computer, in my Visual Studio Code. So I am not getting install. Here I am getting uninstall and disable option. Install this option. This one Go. This is Go team at Google. Once this is installed successfully, next what you have to do, and one more thing, this theme is different, using different theme. To see the difference, go to preference, settings. If you wanted to change, search for theme here, workspace themes, here it is present. I'm using Solarized Dark. Whatever you wanted to use, you can use it. You can use Monarchy, you can use Visual Studio Code dark or light. I like Solarized Dark. I have selected this one. It's optional, it's up to you. After this, we have installed this extension. After installing the extension, what we are going to do is view, go to command palette, select Go, and select the first option, Go install or update tools. Click on this one. Yeah, select all the options from here. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, all these modules will be installed, and these modules are like auto completion module, auto complete packages module, Go outline, symbols, Guru find references, Go rename symbols, Go test, IMPL for steps for interfaces, and a Go playground. You can open playground. Deep for this is for debugging. All these modules will be installed over here. Linter, Go for linter. All these will be installed in your computer or in Visual Studio Code. Once after installing successfully, again what I am going to do is I am going to use, now I don't like command prompt. What I am going to do for this lecture, search for terminal. Here we'll be selecting git bash over here. Select git bash. So default terminal will be git bash for you. Click on new terminal. So we'll get bash here, and here you can run all ls, all like Unix commands you can run over here. And we gone through this project structure also, like Go basic structure. Bin contains all binaries, executables. Package contains all the packages, custom packages, and user built-in packages. SRC contains our project structure. Upcoming lecture I will go through details like how to create a project, how to create a one Go sample class, sample code, and how to execute sample Thank you, friend.